Hey guys, it's Sarah and today I'll be making Fattoush pasta salad with Cauldron's Middle Eastern falafels. It's a super vibrant dish that's becoming my go-to picnic staple. I'll be topping it with crunchy crisp bread, plenty of fresh herbs and pomegranate seeds to give it loads of great texture and flavour. Let's begin. We are going to start with crisp bread. I'm using a mix of spices that give loads of flavour and sesame seeds for crunch. The olive oil will help to coat the pita bread in the spices and to crisp the bread as it bakes. Place your coated bread onto a lined baking tray, spread them out and bake until golden brown. Next up is the zoug dressing. It's a Yemeni spicy sauce that has really bold flavour and is typically used with meat and fish. It goes really well in this recipe, adds heat and a super fresh flavour. Blitz the ingredients up in a food processor until completely smooth. Once your dressing is made, put it to one side until ready to use. Then we are going to roast our veggies. Here I've diced some aubergine and Romano pepper. Coat in a little olive oil and a touch of salt for seasoning. Spread them out so they are evenly distributed on the tray. Then we are going to add delicious Cauldron Middle Eastern falafels. These falafels have a real authentic taste and are the original street food. Falafels are my absolute favourite picnic item. These are going to be amazing. Now to bake. Let's put together our pasta salad. I'm adding some sliced cherry tomatoes, my roasted vegetables and half of the crisp bread, some extra herbs and of course that lovely green zoug dressing. Pasta salad is such a great summertime dish. Absolutely love it. Look at that toss. Doesn't it look delicious? Packed with flavour and yummy vegetables. To finish, top with the rest of your crisp breads, extra herbs, pomegranate seeds and of course those Cauldron Middle Eastern falafels. High in fibre, low in saturated fat and packed with the goodness of chickpeas. And there you have it, Fattoush pasta salad with Cauldron's Middle Eastern falafel. Let's give it a try. It's super fresh, there's loads and loads of herbs. Falafels are delicious. They're so good. Honestly, this is such a crowd pleaser and good for vegans too. Make this the next time you're going for a picnic with your mates. Guarantee you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.